Hi, so my topic is deforestation, so I'm going to talk a little bit about the causes, consequences, and how we can fix this problem. The main causes for deforestation are agricultural expansion, forest degradation, unsustainable forest management, fires, and urbanization. Deforestation affects both humans and non humans. The conversion to agriculture is the main cause of deforestation. The increased human population demands a bigger land use for consumption of food. Due to the high demand people have converted forests to farmland. The continuous fires that are happening in the forest due to the lack of space for planting crops or cattle raising. Fires have happened way more often in an uncontrolled way by humans. The consequences of deforestation include food scarcity, flooding, loss of biodiversity, displacement of local communities, climate change, and health issues. The impacts of deforestation include the increase of greenhouse emissions due to the fact that trees are carbon sinks and help with the fight towards climate change. The disruption of livelihoods. Millions of humans depend on the forests, either as food supplies, homes, or shelters. Also, the biodiversity loss and species extinction. The increase of greenhouse emission accelerates the climate change. By protecting our forests, we are helping against the fight towards the consequences of climate change. The solution is sustainable forestry. It is the correct management of forests in order to use the resources from a forest without affecting the health of the environment nor the economic income. It is the management of forests and using the natural resources they provide while maintaining the forest healthy and still provide wood, water, and wildlife habitats. Sustainable forestry benefits people since they provide homes and resources. Some examples of sustainable forestry are protecting areas that are uncommon, like an old forest, and cutting small areas in a balanced way to maintain the forest health. Stop the use of pesticide, insect pests, and wildlife can damage the forest and creates balance in the environment. So how can you help? You can visit Rainforest Alliance, that is an organization focused on the well-being of health of our forests. You can visit this link and see how you can help.